Good morning, dear students. I have completed chapter 1, 5, 8, 10, 13, 3, and exam is going to be start, and I will take revision and I will give you some questions and you have to do it yourself. And name of the I will take revision from chapter 8, food for health. And in this chapter I taught you how food is important for us and how without eating food we cannot survive. And in that chapter I taught you energy giving foods, body building foods, protective foods, water, balanced meal, and what are the good eating habits. And again I will explain this chapter, and after that you will see that I will give you some questions also, and that questions you have to do with yourself. Food for health. Anything that we eat and drink is our food. What we are eating and drink is our food. Food affects our body. If we will not take the food, then it gives life energy. Food gives us life energy to the body, and the body is essential. That food is essential for life. If food is not there in our life, then we cannot survive, we cannot live. So our body is growing and changing all the time. We know that our body is growing and changing all the time. When we born, we were just baby, then after growing stage, then you can, few years ago you were just child with teeny arms, legs and small teeth, but you have grown up. What has made this change? It is the food that you have been taking over these years. Still you are growing and putting on weight. Only the food is responsible for it. What is responsible for it? Food is responsible for it. Even when you are sleeping soundly, the food is doing its work. It passes through a long system. It produces store of energy for you. Also it builds some different parts of your body. When you wake up, you feel fresh. Active and strong. The food has made you like that. So food has much to do with your growth and health. Without it, these food are not possible. These things are not possible. Only body needs different kinds of food to stay healthy. So energy giving food. What is the energy giving food? Some food gives us energy. We use this energy to work, study and play. Food such as wheat, rice, sugar, butter, ghee and oils gives us energy. From which food we are getting energy? Food such as wheat, rice, sugar, butter, ghee and oils gives us energy. And body building foods. Some food helps our body to make muscles, bones, skin and other organs. They also help our body to mend when it is damaged. Pulses, milk, cheese, eggs and meat build our body. Protective foods. What is the protective foods? Some foods protect us from diseases. And ill health. Milk, vegetables, Some food help our body to make muscles, bones, skin and other organs. They also help our body to mend when it is damaged. Pulses, milk, cheese, eggs and meat build our body. So bodybuilding foods: milk, meat, eggs, pulses, cheese, etc. And what is the protective foods? What is the protective foods? Some foods protect us from diseases. We know that some food protect us from diseases and ill health. Milk, vegetables and fruits protect us from different diseases. And now come to the water. What is water? Water is essential for health. Water is essential for health. It helps in maintaining our body temperature. It helps in maintaining our body temperature. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day to remain healthy, because water is also very important. If we will not take the water, we will not drink the water, then we cannot survive. So for our daily activities, water is also important. What is the balanced meal? What is the balanced meal? A meal containing cereals, pulses, milk, butter, vegetables, fruits, etc. in right quantity is called balanced meal. What is the balanced meal? A meal which containing cereals, pulses, milk, butter, vegetables, fruits, etc. is right quantity is called balanced meal. And we should take a balanced meal daily to remain healthy. If we will take the balanced meal every day, then it is good for the health. What should we do to remain healthy? You must follow some rules to keep yourself healthy. You must follow some rules to keep yourself healthy. Eat your meals at regular intervals. Wash your hands before each meal. Eat fresh and properly cooked food. Eat slowly and chew the food well. Eat in clean plates and at a clean place. Do not eat too much or too little food. Do not make a habit of eating fast food items often. Do not eat uncovered food from street vendors. It contains dust and germs. Wash vegetables and fruits before eating them. Rinse your mouth after each meal, before also and after also. What have we learned in this chapter? I will explain you. In this, we cannot live without food. Food is very essential for the health, and some foods gives us energy. Some foods help our body grow. Some foods keeps us healthy. Eating balanced meal is good for health. Our meal should contain different types of food every day. Our health is related to our eating habits. We should develop good eating habits. More to know. Milk is wholesome food. We should drink milk every day. Keeping proper gaps between your meals help you to digest the food. And in this I am taking revision from chapter 8, lesson 8 revision. Food for health. Food for health. Chapter 8, revision, food for health. In this chapter, fill in the blanks are given and you will take revision of that. Fill in the blanks. Wheat, rice, sugar and butter are energy giving food. I am reading only. Fill in the blanks. Wheat, rice, sugar and butter are energy giving foods. Pulses, milk and eggs are bodybuilding foods. Vegetables and fruits are protective foods. Our meal should be a balanced meal. Our health is related to our eating habits. So I have completed chapter 8 revision, and in this I have covered this topic, fill in the blanks, and this exercise I have completed, fill in the blanks revision, and you will take revision at home properly. for chapter 8. Every day I will take revision, and you have to do with yourself. Every day you will take a revision.